I'm Bess Ho, and the app that I built today is called Will Maker. The app is allowing anybody have no background to just follow, the step-by-step workflow to make a very simple will, legal document. I was hiring a law firm and the senior partner, spent 3 hours interviewing me. And the next thing I know is she referred me to associate and she spent another 3 hours with me. And I'm the same person and the same case. I just don't know why they have to do it twice. So I tell them two different things because I thought the senior partner would tell the associate, but they did not. So I end up paying the senior partner is like $5.50 and the associate is $3.50 per hour. And that is almost 10 years ago. I came here with a few ideas and I wasn't sure which one that I go with. But then, the organizer or judge tell us we should pick our best app, the app that actually make an impact. So I thought that, this is something that I should make because we have an aging population in California. The aging population is catching up like half of the state. And people want to save money and nobody actually wanted to even talk to lawyers, because we don't know how much they charge. I just built something very simple. It was step-to-step guide that you can actually fill out your personal information and it will ask for your executive contact, your beneficiary, how much you want to assign to each beneficiary relationship and conditions. So when Caffeine generate the forms, the workflow, the instruction and the steps, and they are legalish. I'm very excited because they told me that I can keep my account and I can polish my app. I want to publish to the app. I want to do more with it. I want to build a user profile that can actually match to lawyers. Don't give up, just keep trying.